How you going, girl? My name is Ben Melbourne and I'm going to do the drifting today, you know. Cue the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift music, you know. Going to slay some punani today. You going to have to call me DK, you know. Oh my god, this commodore got so much power, make me do the spaghetti hands everywhere, oh my god. Yeah, fuck all these boys trying to time their track today because I'm going to come and do the burnout drifting thing, you know. Oh my god, Mr. Third Gear, I think. What the fuck am I doing? Don't worry, all the punani gonna be chasing me. So do the drifting on the steering thing, you know. Might take out a witch's hat later maybe or something, you know. Oh my god, Vin Diesel going to be frothing today. Make sure to slow down enough so I can do the second gear. Chirpy boy on third gear finally. And now I'm going to do the big finale, do the drifting around the final corner, get the track marshal so pissed off at me, you know. Oh boy, do the drifting thing, oh my god. Nearly crash again, but now I'm going to finish off with the final. I'm going to come round this corner, maybe clip this witch's hat. Oh my god, kill the witch's hat. Holy fuck boy, maybe I need to go off and get all the punani. It's going to be chasing me because I do the drifting thing. Oh boy, so impressive, you know.